This is a Carrier Weathermaker 80% efficiency variable speed furnace. I do not know exactly what year it's from, and it was donated. As far as I know, it still works. They just put a new blower motor in it, and the blower wheel's broken off, but other than that, this thing's complete. They just hooked up a thermostat to it. Basically, they are preparing to hook it up like the 80% efficiency Goodman's I was working on a couple weeks ago, so they can use it as a trainer. And there's the oil furnace we were just doing. That is the Whirlpool gas furnace that's like 40 years old. It's probably only 50% efficiency. The Weil McLean is not hooked up at the moment. There's no thermostat hooked up to it.
Huh? They left.
Yeah, pretty much. This is another Carrier, I think. Based on the color, I'm pretty sure that's a Carrier. Put that back on. The class voted to do heat pumps for our last day, so next week we are going to be working on the Goodmans. These are both 2-ton Goodman heat pumps with air handlers that have 5 kilowatt electric heat in them. And there used to be another 2-ton Goodman over there where that Sanyo is. The air handler's still hooked up and it's got a UV light in it, but they put the Sanyo ductless heat pump in its place. So yeah, these are 2-ton Goodmans. And this one is a 4-zone unit, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty cool right there. Sanyo heat pump. Wonder if there's anything interesting in the back. It's worth a look. It's freezing outside, but actually it's not that cold. It's cold, but not that cold. Yeah, I don't think much has changed back here. Let's just put the camera case in the door so I don't lock myself out again. Yeah, pretty much the same units. Oh, it's cold enough I can see my breath. Yeah, there's the one that's missing the fan motor right there. And I don't know if there's any new additions. I can actually see when I talk, my breath is like just pouring out of my mouth. It's probably in the 40s right now. Probably decent defrost weather. All right. Not much to see. Not much has changed here. Alright. I'm gonna go home for the night. And those are the 90% efficiency Goodman condensing furnaces. I think they're 2-stage. Not sure. Are these 2-stage, the Goodmans over here? The 90%ers?
What's that?
Are the 90% Goodmans over here 2-stage?
Yes.
And then there's one 80% 2-stage and one 80% single stage. There's a Copeland compliant scroll compressor right there. There's a Bristol reciprocating compressor right there. All sorts of cool stuff in here. All right. Time to leave. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.